BMW Live Cockpit Professional, with its new display and control concept, is focused more than ever on you, the driver. We will show you how you can personalize your BMW with the new, fully digital BMW Operating System 7. To unlock the full potential, we recommend you create a personal driver profile to save, synchronize and restore your settings anytime. Select Create Driver Profile. Log in with your existing BMW ConnectedDrive account. After logging in, we recommend to activate synchronization of your driver profile. This will allow you to access and synchronize your profile with other BMWs with Operating System 7. You can link your driver profile to your vehicle key. The vehicle will recognize you and activate your profile when you open it with this key. Settings for driver profiles are available in the driver profile menu. For example, you can change your avatar picture here. With driver recognition, you can also link a BMW digital key or set up a PIN to access your profile. The PIN is especially handy in case you do not have your personalized key at your disposal. And it is also much shorter than the ConnectedDrive login. Continue watching our How To series to get the most out of your BMW.